If you're new, my name is Trishawn. I'm the owner of Big Deal Hair Extensions, which is a raw hair company. And today I'm here to you guys just to drop some gems. I really want for you guys to stay encouraged. I have to tell myself to stay encouraged. We're into a brand new year. I'm excited for 2020, but there are some things that I've been able to reflect on and some areas where I just want to be like a bad bee, for lack of a better word. So check this out. If you ever visited my website, you know that I sell raw hair, edge tamer, and at one point I did have lashes up for sale. And I know some people are probably wondering, like, what happened to the lashes? So let me rewind for you guys that do not know what I'm talking about. So I had a lash line called Bold Blink by Big Deal Hair Extensions, okay? Really cute lashes or whatnot. But let me tell you, see, real cute lashes. So the vendor that I was using for these lashes communicated very well, didn't take long to ship. The product is a quality product. That was not the issue. The issue is that the seller was overcharging me, and I found this out the hard way. So I just took a step back and stopped doing business with that vendor, and I decided to just take a step back from lashes and do a full rebrand. So that is why you have not seen the lashes on the website. So my apologies, girls. I know a lot of people have been asking me about the lashes. I will be coming back with lashes. They will be a quality product. Here's the thing. When I'm charged a lot to get these products, to be able to make a profit, I'll have to charge you guys more. And here's the thing. I'm all about quality, but I'm also all about affordable, and the two can coexist. So that is my goal. So again, my apologies. I know people have been waiting on lashes, but I promise you're going to love the new line of lashes that I'm coming out with. I'm just doing a full rebrand, so look out for that. But I share all of that with you guys, you know, transparency moment, as a way to let you guys know that it is okay to take a step back. It is okay to start over. Never let anybody make you feel bad because you had to start over and get it right. You know what I mean? There is no shame, honey, none of my game, and it shouldn't be none of yours. Like, it is okay to start over to get that thing right. So never feel ashamed about it. I also wanted to challenge you guys for 2020 to make smart business decisions. I know a lot of people do ask me questions about starting a hair business, and I am an open book. The only thing obviously that I won't say is my vendor, but I'm all about women empowerment. I love seeing other girl bosses grow and do their thing. So if there's anything you want to know, feel free. You can always drop it in the comments, or, you know, you shy, you can always send me an email, bigdealhairextensions@gmail.com. I will answer. Like I said, I'm very transparent. I'm pretty much an open book. I want to see us all win. I want to see us all get that bag. There's not any information that I will withhold from you. Now, I will say this though. I have had people come to me for like assistance, but they'll just want all the answers, and I feel like you have to do some of your own legwork. I don't mind sharing resources, you know, I don't mind answering questions, but it's important to do your own legwork, because if somebody gives you every single answer, when it's time for you to know how to communicate with vendors and know how to find a vendor, a quality vendor for yourself, you're going to be lost. So I don't mind sharing with you my pitfalls so that you don't make the same mistakes, but understand that it's valuable to go through your own journey and learn and make mistakes and learn. Like, it's all a process. You know what I mean? So I hope that didn't come off as harsh, but I think tough love is sometimes what's good for us. You know what I mean? Because we don't want people just giving us the answers every time, because then if we don't have those people when we need something done, we're going to feel like we're really lost and like, oh wow, what do I do now? And that's not a good feeling. So something else that I did want to come to you guys about, there has been so much talk about this amongst some of my mentors on social media about how, I really don't like saying the word broke, but this is kind of like the verbiage that they use. Yeah, I don't know about a better name, a better word for it. So all this talk about how broke people think everything is a scam. And I had to reflect on my own ideas about businesses and ways to get money and what my own thought processes were. So check this out. I used to think that you could not make money without having money. And since I've walked into this life of being a businesswoman, that statement is a myth. It couldn't be further from the truth. And I will show you guys proof in due time. I just jumped into some new ways to make money that are completely legal. I'm not scamming anybody, honey. I'm not a scammer. This is legit. And that's the thing. When people hear things that are too good to be true, they think it's a scam. But no, we live in the age of social media. The internet is a part of our lives, and it is a great tool to help you make money. When you see like little ads on YouTube and they're talking about make money while you sleep. Listen to how I made $100,000 selling blah, blah, blah. No, really, I'm not going to say all, but a lot of those people are telling you the truth, honey. So in due time, I will be sharing with you how I made money with no money on the internet. It didn't cost me a dime. I was shook. I'm not even going to lie. Because all these years, that's all I've ever heard was you have to have money to make money. So it got me to thinking, what else, have I believed about money that I might need to debunk? Or what else about success do I need to kind of revisit and debunk? So I challenge you guys to think about the ways in which you grasp the concept of money, or things that you've been told as a child or coming up about money. And I want you to challenge those, because I challenged people saying you got to have money to make money, and it turns out that is a for sure lie. You can most definitely make money without having any money, because I just did it with $0. Okay? And guess what? I really didn't even have to do nothing, and it was 100% legal. So stay tuned for more content about business and ways in which you can also make money online, because I want you all to also be prosperous in your own lives. So if you have any questions, you can drop them below, and thanks for taking time out to come and stop through my channel.